Trying to turn on Hey Bixby voice wake-up hands-free to set timers, alarms, or check stuff without touching your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Ultra, or Plus? Here's how to do it.
I'll remind you to study at 6 p.m. today.
Start by opening Settings. Scroll down a bit and tap on Advanced Features. Now go into Bixby. If you see any prompts for the first time, just allow all of them. From here, tap on Voice Registration. This is where you set up your voice. Then follow the instructions on the screen. It'll ask you to repeat Hi Bixby or Hey Bixby a few times so it can learn your voice. Once that's done, tap Done. Now choose your wake phrase. You can pick Hi Bixby or Hey Bixby, whichever feels more natural, and you're good to go. Now, anytime you're on the home screen, or even when your phone is nearby, just say something like, Hey Bixby, set a timer for 5 minutes, and it'll do it instantly.
I'll start your timer for 5 minutes.
If you ever want to turn it off, just come back to the same settings and switch it off anytime. And that's how you turn on Hey Bixby voice control on your Samsung phone. If this helped, stay tuned with Fix 369.